Hi, this is Les Hasbargen. This is a tutorial that shows you how to create a Geodata table from your field data, starting with the GPS waypoints that you collected out in the field. So I'm assuming that you've already downloaded your files from your GPS unit to your local drive. So once you've done that, then we can go ahead and open that. And let's see, I think this is a good representative set that I have here. So just to give you some idea where these are, this looks like it's way off in left field. Okay, so we just want to make sure that we're in kind of the right area. One way to do that is just to download online data. So we'll go here to the Aster GDEM. This is elevation data. And just accept the defaults, click connect. And you should see a landscape appear. So we'll drag that down there just so that it'll show up on top. And there's where we were in Death Valley, 2017. So our next step is just to make sure that we are in the projection that we want in our Geodata table. We definitely need points that have decimal degrees. So this would be latitude, longitude down here in the bottom right corner. You can see that's correct. I also like to have the UTM coordinates as well. So to do that, we need to change our projection to UTM. You do that up here in the configuration tab. And note that as you go down here and select projection, you can change this. We'll go to UTM and click OK. You can see that the shape of the map has actually changed a little bit, because now it has uniform spacing distance-wise in east and in north direction. So some of the scale distortion of geographic is removed in the map. Notice that we have latitude, longitude here still, and we've got new coordinates here, the easting and northing coordinates, UTM, zone 11. So that's all the information there. Notice as well, if we go back and look at, let's see, I think it's general, yeah, and you go to the measure units, you should be in decimal degrees. If you're not, if you're in degrees, minutes, seconds, you're going to want to change this. So put it into this form right here. Alright, so once you've got it into this form, then we are in a position to actually write out our data. The next step is just to go to File, Export, and we're going to export, let's see, it's the vector LiDAR format right here. And we want CSV, that's comma separated value. There's a lot of different file formats, but this is the one I find easiest to work with. It's comma separated, and let's see, we want to format lat/lon with position display format, and we'll export a separate lat/lon for each. And we can leave the rest here. If you want the additional elevation data, you can put that in there if you want. We'll leave it out for now. So, we'll put this someplace where hopefully we can find it again. Death Valley, and this is, just call this 2017 waypoints. Okay, and so there it should have been written out to that particular file. We'll take a look at where that is now. So let me resize this so you can see what I'm seeing. And we'll navigate to where we just put that. California, I believe.